You see a cute girl smile at you, and you tell her you love her smile. She quickly replies, "I bet you say that to every girl," to which you say no, as she just walks away. You stand there wondering why you went from a guy she thought was cute, to a guy she wants nothing to do with. Well, the reason is, that simple question was part of the shit test, and you failed it. The shit test is a quick way for women to disqualify you as a potential partner or sexual interest. Typically, the test consists of her saying or doing something that is out of the ordinary or slightly rude, to see how you react. A lot of times, your response or reaction will be a deal breaker, and the worst part is, she will not tell you why she is no longer interested. The good news is, if she gives you a shit test, then you know that at least, she has some type of interest in you. If she had no interest in you, she would just not give you the time of day. What you need to understand is that women are approached by men, all of the time. Women use the shit test as a fast way to determine if you are the real deal or not. She wants to make sure she is not wasting her time with someone who is potentially not a good fit for her. Your response to the shit test will tell her what she needs to know to determine if she will sleep with you, go on a date with you, or even continue talking to you. These tests typically involve testing your confidence, character, and independence. But sometimes can include testing your physical and mental ability. Overall, the test is designed to throw you off balance with the intent to reveal any weakness or insecurity. However, these tests should be light-hearted, and shouldn't be disrespectful insults. There is a fine line between being a little rude and just blatantly disrespectful. For example, a woman may ask your age, and after your response say, "Oh wow, you are so young," or, "You are so old." While these statements may be a little annoying, they should be seen as playful, and shouldn't be taken too seriously. However, if she said, "You are an ugly piece of shit," that would not be a shit test. That would just be a disrespectful insult that shouldn't be tolerated. Most men will fail the shit test, because they simply can't tell when a woman is testing them. Men take these interactions way too seriously, and typically get angry and defensive. If a woman tells them that they are too old, they will try to give them every reason in the book as to why that is not true. They will miss the obvious sign that this is just playful banter, since, in most cases, this statement is made to someone who is just a few years older than the woman. Another reason men fail the shit test is that they don't know what to say. They quickly become flustered and confused, which leads to stuttering in frustration. This can be a huge turn-off, because you do not look confident, and you look like you don't know what you are doing. Worse yet, you can become so angry that you begin to insult her, and blow your chances with her. Here are 4 effective ways to handle the shit test. Number 1. Agree or disagree with her, but over-exaggerate. For example, if she tells you, "I bet you use that pickup line with every girl." Tell her that you used it on 22,675 girls just that night. This is a great way to handle this because it's an opportunity for you to show that you are fast on your feet and will not be thrown off by her easily. Number 2. Just ignore it and move right past it. This can be great in situations where you don't know what to say or don't want to entertain her negative comment. Number 3. Misinterpret what she is saying. Typically this involves turning what she said into something sexual or something that will paint you in a better light. Number 4. Stand your ground. At the end of the day, you should have boundaries that you are unwilling to budge on. If her shit test crosses the line or goes against your morals, you should call her out on it. This can be a little tricky to navigate because it can be a mood killer. However, as a man, you should have an abundance mindset and be willing to walk away.